and welcome to my kitchen. We are here another day for another fantastic recipe, and today is the turn of merluza a la gallega or hake Galician style. Now that was the plan, but fishmongers have different plans, so after many weeks trying to get hold of a hake, I have not been able to as usual, so I'm going to make it with monkfish. But if you find hake, do use it in the same way I'm using the monkfish today. This is a very popular dish in Galicia. It is very quick, very simple, very easy, and most of all, very tasty. So let's get on to it. Now we start with a pot of water, and to it I'm going to add a bay leaf and the onions that I have cut in chunks. Now I'm going to let it cook for about 10 minutes more or less. I was forgetting the salt, sorry. You need to put a bit of salt as well. If you have sea salt, will be better, but if you don't, like me today, then use normal salt. So the onions have been cooking for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to add the potatoes, which I have sliced, not too thick, not too thin, just so they would keep their shape afterwards. And in they go. We will let them cook in low-medium heat for about, I'll say 20 minutes, but it depends. When the potatoes are soft but not breaking, so soft, firm, if that even exists, then they will be ready, and then we will add the fish. Okay, so the potatoes have been cooking on low-high heat for about 10 minutes. They are now soft, firm, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the monkfish. And as I said, if you don't have hake, you can use the monkfish, you can use cod, and we are going to cook the fish for about 5-8 minutes, more or less. This will cook very fast. It depends how thick your pieces are. So there they go. Low heat. We cook the fish about 5 minutes or so. It won't take long, as I said. Okay, so the fish has been cooking for about 10 minutes more or less, and I'm going to take off the fire. It is cooked, so I'm going to set the pot aside. So now we are going to prepare the ajada. And the ajada, we put the oil on the pan, in the pan, and we heat it up. Now the oil is hot. I'm going to add the garlic, and I'm going to cook it until it's brown, golden, not burned, but just golden. Just going to put down the heat a bit, just to let the oil infuse with the flavor of the garlic. Right, now that the garlic is golden, I'm going to add the sweet paprika. And as soon as I do the sweet paprika, I'm going to remove off the heat because I don't want it to burn. I'll remove off the heat for now. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a ladle of the liquid, if I can get it, from the pot where I cook the potato. I will cook the ajada with the ladle of the liquid from the fish and the potatoes. I will cook it in low heat for about 5 minutes, and you will see this is going to be amazing. Okay, so the sauce has been cooking for 5 minutes. It's ready, and I'm going to serve up. So what I have done is I have put the potatoes and the onions, not the bay leaf, potatoes and onion on a serving dish. And now I'm going to add the fish that has cooked. So I'm going to scatter it like this. It does look better with hake, with the hake steaks, but it doesn't matter. This is hot, but fingers of the chef don't feel the heat. Okay, a few onions around there. And now what we are going to do, we're going to add the sauce. I'm going to use it with this, I'm going to pour it with a spoon because it's easier to make sure it goes everywhere. And we just pour it on top like this. It is nice, believe me. It is very nice. You may think it's too simple and not good enough, but believe me, it is good enough. It's more than good. And this, my dear friends, is how merluza a la gallega, or in this case, rapia a la gallega, monkfish Galician style, hake Galician style, cod Galician style. This is how it looks. This is how it smells. And I can tell you, it tastes absolutely wonderful. So if you like this dish or any other dishes from the channel, do give us a like, subscribe, share with the world, and most important of all, cook it, enjoy it, share it with your family. This is amazing. I'm going to have dinner with my family, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!